All right, so this is a shoe that I decided I needed to have in the collection, and I got these for a pretty juicy deal there from StockX during the StockX Black Friday deal, which gave me a coupon and allowed me to cop another shoe that is actually coming out this weekend. But shout out to Mr. Think, man, for the review that he put out on this shoe, because I didn't really watch many reviews, and his review made me change my mind and go, you know what, I need to go ahead and add these to the collection. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and talk about these real quick. Air Jordan 3 Retro Medium Olive Sequoia. Now, this is a great pair if you guys are looking to reach back for anything and you're trying to find juicy deals on, you know what I mean? This is definitely one of those shoes that I say that you're not going to be disappointed with. Now, you do have kind of this medium olive green box, right? You got an orange Jumpman on there. Now, these are called the Family Affairs, but unfortunately, we have no real story behind these from Nike Jordan brand. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, they released them as part of their, you know, with their Real True Camo stuff that dropped, which, again, I don't understand why you did that with these. I mean, I do, because the color matches or whatever, but, you know, last year you gave us Real True Camo. Let me go ahead and grab these guys for you, right? You gave us Real True Camo airships, and in any case here, let's go ahead and take a good look at the shoe. So we have these medium olive uppers all the way around, this suede material, and yes, there is some nice little transition on these guys. Very short, kind of suede, you know what I mean? Very nice materials on here. Green laces. You also have a green tongue, green Jumpman stitched in there. I don't understand why these are tied up so damn tight. Let me go ahead and allow these bad boys to freaking breathe, because, man, like, I don't understand what they was doing there, but we're gonna loosen these up just a little bit. All right, there we go. Now they loosened up a little bit, you know. Let's, man, hold on. They might need just a little bit more, just a little bit more loosening. All right, just a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, it's almost like unzipping in their pants. You know, when you ate too much, you gotta unzip yourself, you know, give yourself some breathing room. But in any case, here, midsole itself, kind of a sail midsole with some black hints here in the heel, and then nicely done with the elephant print. You know, sometimes it can be hit or miss when it comes to the elephant print. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the left shoe. Now, I do have the StockX tag on here, but your boy does not leave StockX tags, and I don't know where my scissors are. Otherwise, I cut it off for you here on camera. But regardless here, now both pairs obviously have that Nike Air there on the back. Now, I don't know what these shoes could do down the line, but, you know, sometimes today's bricks are tomorrow's gold bricks, right? i.e. Black Cat 4s, right, at one point. And taking a look here at the outsole, gun bottom outsole with some white down there, or sail rather, Nike written in green, and then you got this orange pivot point here. Taking a look at the insole foot pad, it's black, and you got Nike Air written down there in orange as well. Once again, man, there's no real decent story, in my opinion, that they put out here about the shoe. Now, when I did my review on the Real True Camo airships, I did find out that when Mike used to live in North Carolina, that him, his dad, and his brother would go hunting. I don't know if that's something that Mike still does or something like that, but apparently that was something that they had done as he was growing up. It's not really talked about like that, but that information apparently was out there if you search for it. That being said, we have some lace options here. Now, I do have a set of white laces and orange laces I'm going to throw here in the shoes to give you a look and see what you guys think. All right, here we go. So we have orange laces and white laces, and both of them look pretty clean in there. Comment down below what you guys like the best. Listen, the orange is decent, but this white hits. This white definitely hits, and that may be my go-to with this shoe. In any case, appreciate y'all being tapped in. Like, share, subscribe, do all those great things. This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in a moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.